Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a freezer drawer gear retainer in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a large flathead screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer drawer and remove both baskets. Use the 10mm socket to unthread the two screws, securing the left support bracket. Unthread the two screws, securing the right support bracket as well. Tilt the drawer front forward, then lift up to remove. Use the small flathead screwdriver to detach the retaining pin, securing the gear shaft. Slide the gear shaft to the right to remove. Depress the tab to remove the appropriate freezer drawer rail assembly. Now insert the large flathead screwdriver into the slot in the gear to pry off the gear. Position the rail so you can access the gear retainer. Then use the needle nose pliers to depress the tabs to remove the old retainer. To install the new gear retainer, align it on the rail and snap it into place. Align the gear and snap it onto the retainer. Reinstall the drawer rail assembly by aligning it on the support and pushing back until it snaps into place. Be aware you will need to adjust the gear to confirm the gear shaft will align with both gears. Reinstall the gear shaft by inserting the end of the shaft with the retaining pin hole in the right side gear first. Then insert the opposite end of the shaft into the left side gear. Snap the retaining pin into place to secure the shaft. Reinstall the drawer front by aligning the support bracket tabs with the slots on the rails. Thread and tighten the left and right side screws to secure the brackets to the rails. Replace the two baskets. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.